Well, good afternoon, everybody. I thought I'd show you my mobile installation. I've showed you the mobile setup before, but I've not went into great detail. This is the 2006 H3 Hummer. I just give it a good wash job a while ago. Right here's my Diamond 7900. First off, the Tar Heel 200. Henry in, let's say, AG4QG installed that for me. It's a model Tar Heel 200A. It'll have a legal limit. Henry's the one that installed this. PJ, AK4PJ, this is the model 7900. He installed this. He done an excellent job. He run it behind the door panel, and right here's the radio. That's the model 7100, and you can see there's no cables. He hid the cables pretty good. That is the HF 6 meter, 2 meters, 440. I don't have 6 meters, but I got HF and 2 meters, 440. And he also made he put a mount right there in case I ever need to take it off. That's on 7.138.
Balanced. I just, my ear won't hear it. I hear you.
That's 673, the local repeater. But you can see PJ done an outstanding job hiding all the cables. The cables run down in here and you can't even see them unless you dig them out. But this is my HF, VHF, UHF setup. And
James, email something when I get a new mic. I say, hey man, can you come on down here at 10 and
I never do play the stereo in here. But if I wanted to, I could just take this out and lay it down, and I'd have access to my stereo. I'm not much for music anymore. I don't listen to music. Not in the house, not in the car. I used to be back in the mid-70s, early 80s. I used to really like the 80s, mid-70s rock after disco after they got rid of disco. I never did care much for disco music, but oh man, let me get out of here. I really like my Hummer. I got this off of Chris, a good friend of mine. But like I said, Henry, AG4QG, done a great job installing the Tar Heel 200. And PJ done a great job on installing what it is. I got a Diamond K400 mount. It's a SO239 mount. And it just stays right there. And if I ever need to put it in the garage, get an oil change, I just take this off and roll this down to 10 meters, which it's rolled up to 40 meters now. Then take the whip out to get an oil change once a year. I use synthetic oil. You can see my tags messed up a little bit. I pulled the sticker off and the whole call sign come off. It wasn't engraved in the tag like they generally do. It's just stuck on with a piece of paper. So I put some tape back on it. But later on I want to try to get a U tag. So I just thought I'd show you my mobile setup. There's the 7100. Gonna have hamburgers for supper tonight and French fries. Carpenter bees everywhere. There's a Miss Bella. Get over, Miss Bella. What's going on, Miss Bella? Say hello to everybody. She loves her papa. She's a daddy's girl. Yeah, she's a daddy's girl. Oh, yeah. I got these while back at Walmart. Got these at Walmart. Gonna have me a couple of hamburgers in the air fryer. I got me some air fresheners. Let me come in here, turn on the light. So here's another air freshener. I just got these yesterday. They make the house smell good. And you don't have to buy no cans of Febreze. I was buying cans of Febreze. I like house smells good. And it costed a fortune to keep a bunch of cans of Febreze, so I decided to go this route. I got one in about every room. Here's another, and I got different kinds. What do you think about it, Miss Bella? Huh? What do you think about it? I ain't got the radios on. Been drinking my coffee and everything. But I'm going to say 73s. And thanks for watching my mobile installation. 73s from KE4 BFG. Everybody have a good day.